Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings quickly. Press Windows plus I or click Start then Settings. Once there, choose Network and Internet and stay on the status page so you can see your current connection. Next, click Advanced Network Settings to access adapter options. This gives you the interfaces to change discovery and sharing. Make sure you use an administrator account so changes stick. Once you have the adapters list, move to the next panel to disable discovery and file sharing per adapter. Now disable network discovery through the Network and Sharing Center. From Change Adapter options, pick the active adapter, right-click and choose Properties. But the key step is opening Network and Sharing Center and then change Advanced Sharing Settings. Under your current profile, toggle off network discovery and turn off automatic setup of network-connected devices. Also disable file and printer sharing in the same section. Once done, save changes and confirm the profile is private or public. Finish by turning off file and printer sharing and any public folder sharing entries in Advanced Sharing Settings, then click Save Changes. To ensure the settings take effect, restart your PC or toggle the network adapter off and on. Make sure Windows firewall rules aren't re-enabling sharing. If sharing persists, open Services and confirm Function Discovery Provider, Host and Function Discovery Resource Publication are stopped and disabled. If problems remain, reboot and recheck settings to confirm network discovery and sharing are off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.